Hello, this is Sam from ValueTech Academy. In this video, I will teach you how to use the null if function using a scenario. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, we have a free SQL course that will help you to practice SQL using 30 real-world scenarios. Link to the free course is provided in description. You can check it out. Let's get started now. In this video, I will be using this dataset provided by Microsoft to explain this SQL scenario. If you want to know how to get this dataset to practice SQL, check out the video we created. Link provided in description. So let's see the requirement for today. In today's requirement, we need to find the number of customers having the same billing and shipping address. There may be cases where people may be using a different mailing box for their shipping purposes. So in that case, the address used for billing purpose and the address used for shipping may be different. So here in this scenario, we want to find customers who have the same billing and the same shipping address. So for this, let's go to a table named sales order header. So this is a table where we can find the information related to the billing address and the shipping address. So let's query this table. So this table has all information about the sales order, and here you can see the customer ID information. We have this customer ID, and also we have this billing address ID and also shipping address ID. So the exact billing address and the shipping address may be maintained in some other table. So we are not concerned about those information. So we have this IDs related to the billing address and the IDs related to the shipping address. So here, if these addresses are going to be the same, then in that case the billing address ID and the shipping address ID will be the same. So here if you see, we have 985 and shipping address also 985. It means both these addresses are same. Likewise, we have other IDs also, like this is the billing address ID and this is the shipping address ID. So both are same. So in this way, we are going to find the customers who are going to have the same billing address and the same shipping address. For this, we can use a function called nullif. So I will explain how we can use this for this scenario. So since we need to get the customer ID from this table, so let me just rewrite this one, and we'll use the filter condition using the where clause. And here, this is the syntax for nullif. Nullif function will take two expressions or two arguments. So here the two arguments are going to be these two column names, build to address ID and ship to address ID. What this nullif function will do is, once it takes these two expressions or two arguments, it will compare both the values. If the values are same, it will return null. If in case the values are not same, if they are like different values, then in that case it will return the value of the first argument. So for example, let's consider here the billing address ID is going to be 1 and the shipping address ID is going to be 2. So in that case both are different, so the output will be 1, that is it will return the first argument's value, that is going to be 1. So consider another case where billing address ID is 100 and shipping address ID is 100. So in that case, the nullif function will return null. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, here we are going to check both these columns, like the values of both these columns. In case, okay, if they are going to be same, it is going to return null. Okay, so we are going to verify this here. Here what it does is, if both these columns, billing address ID column and shipping address ID columns are same, it will return a null. So if it is null, we are checking is using is null. If it is null, then it means the customer is having the same billing address and same shipping address. Okay, so in this way, like you can find the customer IDs having the same billing address and the shipping address. So once again, let me explain here. So in this null function, if both these values are same, it is going to return the null value. In case if these values are different, then it will return the value of the first argument. Okay, so if in case they are same and if it returns null, we are going to get only those customer IDs, because it means those are the customers who have the same billing address as well as the same shipping address. And here we got those customers, but the requirement says we need to find the number of customers, so we'll just add this count function. Okay, so here you can see the number of customers who are having the same billing address and the same shipping address. In this way, we can solve the requirement for today. To practice more SQL queries like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want to practice more SQL queries using scenarios, check out our playlist for practical SQL scenarios. Link provided in description. Thanks for watching this video.